There's a snowplow. Oh, is he stuck?
What?
Hey, the snowplow's stuck.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Can you believe that? Look at that.
Yeah, he's like, he just can't go anymore.
Yeah. He's gonna lift up the spade. Oh, he's not going anywhere.
I mean, he can go back, but... Oh, dude, that's my car, man. He's gonna hit my car.
You better go out there and say something to him, man. Look at this. Well, you know, if I just push on the gas pedal a little harder.
And now it's not gonna walk. It's
you know, this.
slippery.
Get out of there, cat. The cat. Oh God, look at all that. Oh man. College Park, Maryland, right outside DC. I have never seen one of our snowplows get stuck. Got a guy on an ATV up there.
How is it?
He just keeps jamming on the gas pedal. Making a lot of progress, you know, sinking into the snow and stuff. But, can you believe this? This is supposed to be one of the guys who's coming out here to save us.
Yeah.
You know, he's gonna. He didn't almost make it. What are you talking about?
He's going up the hill.
Yeah, he was going like an inch every 5 minutes or something. Looks like these guys in the ATV are trying to do something.
That's what I was talking about, following it now. Give me a foot. Ready to go.
Maybe somebody just sent all the snow a little bit
Yeah,
near the pan.
you sure? Okay, all right. Yeah, no, I'm okay. I was looking at you. I saw you smiling the whole time. I'm walking there trying to help. I know. Yeah, just back down.